Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and I am officially 23 years old. So today is my birthday, April 6th. It's not gonna be my birthday when you're watching this because there's no way in hell I'm gonna upload this on my birthday, but I still wanted to get ready with you guys. I wanted you to be with me on my special day. I don't love birthdays, but I'm trying to celebrate myself a little more, and this is me trying to do that, spending a bit of my day with you guys because I love doing this and I love getting ready with you. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I just want to get a little bit glammed up for my birthday. I am just gonna be getting ready, doing my makeup. Maybe I'll show you my outfit as well if I get the chance or if I have some time, whatever. Let's just have some fun. Let's put up makeup on the face. If it's your birthday on April 6th as well, happy birthday, birthday twins. If it's not, then I hope you have an amazing day whenever you're watching this. But yeah, I digress. Let's get ready together. Come here. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my eyes first as always. Let me just prime with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And then I'm just gonna set with my new Spectrum Katie Jane Hughes brush in number 08. I got this for my birthday. My parents gave me the whole brush collection. I'm so happy and excited to break them in. I already played with them a little bit earlier. I'm gonna be featuring these a lot now on my channel because obviously these brushes are amazing. I'm so happy. This is like the best birthday gift ever. And my brushes really needed a revamp, so I am very excited to be using them today and for the rest of my life. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do with my look. I know I want to go a little bit glam, like more than usual. And I know I want to do green because, hello, it's me. Green is my life currently. So I'm gonna go in with two palettes. I'm using the Rare Beauty Confident Energy palette because it has like the greens that I want. Let me show you. It has like these two greens that I love. And then I'm just gonna use the Natasha Denona Biba palette for my neutrals. I want to do something very simple and this just has it all. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the Biba palette and I'm gonna go into the shade Tusk and mix it with this super gray shade right here. I want to do like a transition shade with these two, but I don't want it to be super warm or super cool, and that's why I'm mixing the two. Oh, and I'm using the 11 brush from this collection. And then I just want to add a little bit more depth to the outermost corners. I want my eyes to look super lifted. So I'm just gonna go in with the brush in number 14 and grab only the shade Sculpture, this one right here. And I'm just gonna be adding the tiniest bit just to the outer corner to add a little bit more like a contoury depth. See, I'm just adding this to like the outer corner and kind of bringing it out in like a wing shape. Just making sure everything's blended. And then I just want to add a little bit of like the powder I used for setting and like add this to lighten up the lid. To make the lash line a little bit darker, I'm gonna go in with the 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil and Whiskey from Urban Decay. You guys know I love this one. And I'm keeping it just to the outer corner here. For the best part of this look, the green, I think I'm just gonna do green under my lash line here. So I don't know, I think I'm just gonna go with this one right off the bat. And I'm just gonna be adding it to the whole lower lash line. I'm using the 21 brush, which is super tiny and super cute. And I'm just gonna be adding this, like almost stamping it on. And then I'm adding this color right here, which is like a lighter green, and I'm just gonna be adding this to like the inner third of the eye. And that just lightened the green a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is just grab this shade right here, and with my pinky finger, I'm gonna be adding it to the inner corner to add a little bit more of that green, but it isn't as potent. It's more of just like a wash of color. There we go. Now it's time for mascara. I'm gonna be using my Tom Ford Badass Mascara. You guys know I love this one. I have a backup, but this one is like on its last legs. I cannot bring myself to stop using it because it's so expensive, but it's so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it with the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. These have kind of like similar formulas, but obviously this one's superior, but it's really expensive. What a combo. Truly, what a combo. It makes my lashes look unreal. And that's exactly, you know, it's exactly what one needs on their birthday. So once the lashes are done, the eyes are complete. It's a very simple look, but I think it looks amazing. For foundation, I'm gonna be using a new foundation that I just got at the Sephora VIB sale. Kosas Revealing Skin Improving Foundation. I have mine in 130. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I've heard so many great things, and you guys know I don't usually wear foundation. I'm not a foundation girl, but I've heard great things about this one, and it's not, you know, every once in a while I'm good with foundation, especially on my birthday, because we can look glam if we want to, right? So I'm not gonna prime, because I never prime. Let's try this out, okay? I'm gonna do one pump, and I'm gonna do this with a beauty sponge, and let's go to town. Ooh. Wow. Okay. It's looking good, actually. I wouldn't say it's super full coverage, but it definitely covers a little more than like a tinted moisturizer. And the shade matches me like really well. Pleasantly surprised with this foundation. It looks very good. It makes my skin look amazing. Very radiant, very skin-like. It covered everything that needed to be covered. It kind of just evened it out. I think I could add more coverage. Like it does seem to build up well, but I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I like it like this. Let's move on to do some concealer so I don't look like I'm dying. I'm gonna do a little bit of the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector in Light. And while I apply my concealer, you guys, I cannot believe I'm 23. Like 23 is, I don't know, you know, when you're 21, you're like, oh, she's an adult, like proper adult. But you're 21, so you're not an adult. 23 is like, you're a grown-up. You're a grown-ass human being. Yeah, I don't feel like that. Honestly, I feel like a little kid. I feel like I'm 15 still. But I'm not, and that's very weird, and I don't know how to come to terms with that. I'm using the LA Girl HD Pro Conceal in Classic Ivory. Love this one. But yeah, anyways, I don't know how to feel like an adult. I do not feel like one currently. So, you know, 23 is gonna be a fun year figuring it out. For those of you guys who are 23 or have been 23 already, please leave your tips down below, because I'm gonna need all the help I can get, obviously. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't known what I'm doing for years, but now it's like official, you know? Concealer is on, feeling really good about it. I'm obviously super shiny and I need to, you know, curb that shine. So I'm gonna go into the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in Translucent Light. You guys, I don't know what's going on with this powder, honestly. You can't buy it at Ulta or Sephora anymore. Hopefully they don't discontinue it because it's so good, but it's my favorite powder and I'm gonna use it on my birthday. I'm gonna load the brush up and just go to town setting my face. And I'm using the Spectrum 02 brush from the collection. Okay, now let's move on to some cheek products. I want to keep it natural. To be honest with you, I always want to keep it natural, but we're going to do a little bit more because obviously we're going a little bit more glam, but we're still doing natural because that's how I roll. I'm using the 04 brush, which is like angled and it has like stipples, but also not. It's like a mixture. And it looks very interesting. And I'm using the Fenty Cream Blush in Butter Biscuit. I love this one a lot. Let's load up the brush. Now, let's talk plans for today. It's Wednesday, so it's a day. You know, it's a day. I have to work. I have to do a bunch of work, and I'm an adult, basically. That's what it means. I'm an adult, it's my birthday, and I still have to work and do shit. So I don't have any plans for the day. I'm probably gonna have lunch with my family, my grandparents, and my uncle and stuff. And then at night, I'm probably gonna go out to dinner with my best friend to eat some Japanese food. It's a tradition. Japanese food is my favorite. And there's a restaurant in Guatemala that I love. It's called Ran. Probably gonna go there, eat some dinner, and then work in between. I'm not a big birthday girl. Like, I never have been a big birthday girl. Maybe it's because I have very few friends. Let's quickly do some blush. I'm using Nude Sticks Nudies Matte in Body Language. This was, I think, limited edition, this specific shade. But it's just like a pinky, like a cooler tone pink. But anyways, yeah, those are my plans. And obviously, like, film this with you guys. This was, like, part of, like, job / celebration plans because I love filming and I love hanging out with you guys even though I'm literally in my room talking to a camera by myself. But yeah, I can't really do much anyways because I'm getting like my wisdom teeth removed on Friday. So in 2 days. I'm not nervous at all right now, to be completely honest with you, but it's like I can't go hard, I can't go crazy because I have to be in tip-top shape. I want to add a little bit more blush and I want it to be a little more peachy because yeah, I'm feeling the peachy vibes. So I'm gonna go to my Makeup Obsession Isn't It Peachy palette and I'm using the shade Daydream. I think this has been discontinued as well, but it's just like a light peach shade and I'm just gonna add it on top. I don't know, I like peach better than just cooler tone blush. You guys know this, we all do. Beautiful. And then for highlighter, I'm using Glossier Halo Scope in Quartz. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to the high points. The foundation is already super glowy, so we're just gonna add a few strategic taps. For eyebrows, I just want to do like, I just want to frame my face. I don't want to go super crazy. I'm using the NYX Stick It Thickening Brow Mascara. I have mine in Espresso. This has been really good to me lately. Like, I really like it. And then I think I'm just gonna do like the teensiest bit of Glossier Brow Flick and brown just to some areas here that might need a little bit more help. There we go. Last but not least, we have the lips. I'm keeping it super natural and neutral, obviously. I want the main focus to be the under eyes because I love green and I think I'm using a green outfit. So we're keeping everything else fairly neutral. To line, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige. Really, really love this one. My lips are very dry and cracked from traveling, from a little bit of everything. It's a combination of things. And I popped a zit a few days ago and it looks like this, so you know, it is what it is. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Glossier Generation G lipstick in Cake. Last but not least, we're gonna make sure everything stays in place. So I'm using my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury, just adding a few spritzes of this. Okie dokie, and once we've set, that is it for the look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we can see it up close. Okay, so here we go. I am digging this. I really like how it looks. I really wasn't sure where I was gonna go with it, but I really like it. I think the green is gonna look good with the outfit. I like how simple it is up top and it like just elongates a little bit. The foundation is looking unreal. It's too early to tell, but I think I'm gonna love it. I think I'm gonna love it. And just the rest of the look complements the eyes perfectly, which is what I wanted. I'm very happy. I'm feeling very glam. I haven't been this glam in a while. So let's go put on some nice clothes, some jewelry. Let's finish the look and then I'll be back to end the video. Okay guys, welcome to my closet. Is there a lot of echo in here? Yes, there is. So my apologies if the sound is a little different. This is what I'm currently wearing. You know, it's not it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this. This is a two-piece. I got it at Anthropologie on sale. It's from the brand Flat White, and it's like a skirt and a top. It's kind of like this green-yellow color, chartreuse, I believe that's the name of it. So let's put it on so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll talk shoes and accessories. Okay, so this is what we're looking like currently. It's super flowy, as you can see, flowy. And this is a skirt. It has pockets. I love it. I love it so much. I hadn't had the chance to wear it yet, and now we're here. Can you tell I'm awkward with my body? For shoes, we're busting out the fancies, my Gucci slides. These are very nice. It's pretty hot out today, so that's amazing. I'm gonna be doing these. Let me just get them out of the bag and then I'll show you properly. They look like this. They're very pretty. And they have like the slightest bit of heel, but they're not uncomfortable at all. Love the detail, and I think it goes pretty well with the outfit, so let's put them on. For accessories, I went for some rings. This one I got at a flea market somewhere in California. And this one, it's super cool. It's like an eye. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it or not. Hello. But yeah, it's like a little eye, which you can use like this, or you can use only gold. I'm a big fan of gold jewelry, and I'm gonna use it like this. And then for necklaces, I have like a snake chain that I got at, I don't know, and then this Ana Luisa little zodiac sign pendant thing, which I just love so much. And for earrings, ooh, I just have a Missouri like little huggy for my piercing, and then these earrings that my best friend got me for Christmas, which are also gold. We're going gold everything. As for my hair does whatever it wants. Okay, so I just made sure to blow dry it last night after I showered. It looks like this. It's growing. It's at an awkward length. It is what it is. It does nothing. My hair truly does nothing. So this is what it's gonna look like on my birthday because I cannot be bothered. I'm not a hair person. Okay, I'm not a hair person, so this is it. Thankfully, the makeup and the outfit make up for it. It's just how I roll. You know what I mean? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap. I am ready for the day. I'm comfortable, I feel good, and I look good. And that's all that matters because I'm freaking 23. Thankfully, I don't look 23, or at least that's what the people tell me. Nobody ever believes I'm 23, which I think is a good thing now, and it's gonna be an even better thing in the future, right? Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me. I hope you had fun. I had tons of fun. I love celebrating with you guys, even though this was just an everyday thing that I can do with you guys. Doing it on my birthday was a little bit more special, and as I mentioned previously, I'm starting to work on my celebration thing because I'm not big on celebrating myself, but I should be. I should celebrate myself more often, and today is the day. Quite literally to do so. Thank you for spending another year with me. I mean, this isn't like the new year, but it's a new year for me. So thank you for spending yet another year of my life with me. I appreciate you so much. I'm so grateful that you guys watch my videos and enjoy my content. I just, so much gratitude goes out to you guys. I love you so much, and I hope we can do this again next year, and the year after, and the year after, and every year for the rest of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you right here for my next one, and now I'm gonna go do some work and eat some cake. So I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody. Mwah.